In the ancient Egyptian pantheon, Horus stands as a dominant figure known as the sky god, often depicted as a falcon or as a man with the head of a falcon. He embodies the vast expanse of the sky, symbolizing the heavens and the divine light that shines upon the world. This avian representation not only reflects his celestial nature, but also underscores the connection between the gods and their dominion over the universe, signifying Horus's role as a powerful and watchful deity. Horus's significance extends beyond the realms of the sky. He is also regarded as the protector of royalty. Each pharaoh of Egypt was considered the living embodiment of Horus, reinforcing their divine right to rule. This association served to legitimize the pharaoh's authority, as they were believed to be the earthly representatives of Horus's power and majesty. The connection between Horus and the pharaohs thus established a sacred bond, ensuring that the rulers were perceived as divinely sanctioned leaders tasked with maintaining order and harmony throughout the land. One of the most compelling narratives associated with Horus is his role as an avenger. Following the murder of his father, Osiris, at the hands of his brother Set, Horus dedicated himself to avenging Osiris's death. This monumental struggle culminated in a fierce battle between Horus and Set, which symbolized the eternal conflict between order and chaos. Horus's triumph over Set not only avenged his father's death, but also reaffirmed the principles of justice, righteousness, and stability within the cosmos. This mythological victory underscored Horus's crucial position in maintaining the balance of the universe and the rightful order. The Eye of Horus has become one of the most iconic symbols in ancient Egyptian culture. Representing protection, healing, and restoration, this emblem is often associated with Horus's attributes as a guardian deity. According to myth, the eye was damaged during Horus's struggle with Set, but it was ultimately restored, symbolizing wholeness and spiritual well-being. The Eye of Horus became a powerful protective symbol, frequently used in amulets and artifacts to ward off evil and provide strength and resilience to the wearer. In summary, Horus is a multifaceted god whose identity as the sky god, protector of royalty, avenger of Osiris, and symbol of healing encapsulates the rich themes of power, justice, and protection in ancient Egyptian mythology. His legacy endures in the stories and symbols that continue to resonate within the broader narrative of Egyptian culture, reflecting the civilization's deep reverence for the divine as a guide in both earthly and cosmic matters.